Okay, good morning. It is 7:50 a.m. Pacific time on Thursday, the 9th of January, 2020. Welcome to my trading journal. These are futures products, and this is the Jigsaw day trader platform. Really quick from left to right, this is the Ultra bond here. This is the 30-year bond. This is the 5-year. This is the 10-year here. And all the way over here on the right is the E-mini S&P. Been waiting all morning basically for a decent scenario, something that fits my kind of my context that I like to see, and that is the equities or the E-mini pushing highs and bonds and everything pushing the lows. All morning it's been kind of very slow, illiquid market. It's the context kind of dictates just sort of seeing if we can get filled here, and it's definitely a trader's market. It's kind of illiquid. Been trading just in this little range here for the past, I don't know, almost 2 hours now. Just tells me that short-term traders are kind of dictating what's happening. They're definitely responding to what's going on over here in the ES. So I don't have an order, or I don't have an issue just sort of putting an order out there and trying to get filled. It's just the question is, which market do you want to try to navigate here? And I'm going with the 30-year because it's typically a more a faster market, and because I mean the range is so small, I think we'd get a little bit more movement and a better chance of getting filled. Let's see what happens. We should get filled here now that the ES is pushing up into the highs. Just question is how will everything else respond? So for those of you that are new, this is just order flow trading. There's no charts, there's no indicators, nothing like that. It's just watching buyers and sellers at different levels and trying to interpret what's happening and respond in kind. All right, we got filled. I'm not sure why I didn't automatically put in a stop loss, but we'll just go ahead and do that. Stayed bid for the most part, and we got some pretty decent size there, which I like. We already have the 10-year above the yellow line. Ultra bonds attacking higher, which is good. Kind of put a target out there at 4. That's the last place where we stalled out and sold back down. So it's a logical target. If we start getting down into 30 to 29, then I will probably look at exit strategies at that point. But it's been a fairly illiquid market thus far. Ooh, don't like that. It's a little disconcerting in the sense that I have to be somewhere here in about an hour, so I have to start getting ready in about 20-25 minutes. So I need this market to kind of get somewhere, go places in that time frame, which sort of puts a restraint or a constraint on what's happening that the market doesn't give two shits about. Ideally, you want to kind of wait things out. Wow, the bid just melted off right there. So it's kind of going against me a little bit. My ideal entry is at 30. I think I paid up a little bit to get in here at 31, so I got to keep that in mind when this starts to move down. I also want to keep an eye on the 10-year and keep an eye on this number here and see that starts to pump up, that means that buyers are absorbing the selling at that level. And these products typically move together. So if the 10-year is holding, then the 30-year will most likely hold. That's the theory anyway. All right, so we're starting to see buyers kind of step in here. ES is dropping in, which is good. Getting some reaction from our fixed income people. Just need a little bit of a follow through here. See if we can get up to our target. Again, I'm looking at like 15 minutes more I can sit in this thing. So 15, maybe 20 minutes. Unfortunately. The way things are going, it might take longer than that for this thing to push up. All right, I can give this maybe 2 or 3 more minutes. Hopefully I can get another tick or two out of this before I have to close it out. Get this ES to drop in. Maybe get back to the point of control. That might give me an extra tick on this trade. But more than likely, I think this will, ES will just keep going higher like it has been in these low volume, low liquidity environments, and I'll be lucky to get a tick out of this trade. That's most probable scenario. Seeing some pretty decent size come back in though. You got 5,000 here, almost 5,000 on the bid. You got 4,000s up here in here on the offer. I dig it. Got 6 and 400s and 600s on the 30-year. I like it. Probably should have just taken that. Tried to cover that at 2 ticks there. Let's just walk this up. Might as well. Not a very exciting experience here. Those of you that are looking for excitement, you might want to look elsewhere. This is a grind. That's one thing you'll learn about trading. It's definitely a grind. There's nothing really exciting about it at all. All right, I'm just gonna put some brackets on that thing and try to get filled. There we go. All right, we got filled. I gotta go. Kind of sucks. I can almost guarantee we would have got 4. But it is what it is. Life interferes. What are you gonna do? All right, well, I hope to get this up. It's going to be later this evening, most likely. Try to get this up for everybody to not watch. And hopefully we'll be back tomorrow. Today, I believe, is Thursday. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll, so it could be kind of exciting. I'll most likely sleep through that and catch the market when it calms down. That's probably what's causing this lack of liquidity today. It's just everybody's waiting for non-farm tomorrow. Anyway, I'll stop blathering. Gotta go. Hope everybody's trading well. Catch you tomorrow.